Hey guys, what's up? Josh here with Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We got an unboxing for you today. I'm going to show you something that I got in. Get in here, open it up. Alright. Check this out. That is Mossy Oak's EHG Elite Blackburn Berber Fleece Vest. Okay, this is their new for 2020. You can see it does have the Berber fleece inside. Just want to show you guys it. I'm excited to give it a try. Obviously, won't be wearing it till the fall, but I'm gonna try to pick up a few of these pieces. Between now and fall. They got a jacket. Probably we won't buy the pants. I'm pretty fond of Under Armour pants, but yeah. So I'm just now getting a look at this. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Obviously, it does have the Berber fleece. The camo is the old school Mossy Oak Bottomland, which I'm a really big fan of. I remember when I was younger, probably 12, 13 years old, this camo was out, and then, you know, Realtree came around with their pattern, Mossy Oak, what was it, Tree Stand, I think, and then Obsession, and Breakup, and then this sort of faded out. Well, now, the Bottomland and the Greenleaf are coming back, so I'm excited for that. This is in the XL. I'll go ahead and try it on for you. Stand up here. I'm about 200 pounds, about 6 foot, so you can sort of get an idea. It's kind of loose. I want it that way because obviously probably have a base layer on, and then a shirt, t-shirt, whatever, and but as you can see, it does have a pocket right here for like your cell phone. Put it right there, you feel it vibrate. Each pocket is zippered right here on the sides. The zippers are really nice. I like those. I like the collar, how it's got that fleece. I feel like those cold November mornings, that would be a really good, the fleece, that Berber fleece. Sort of pooches out just a little bit there when you sit down. Nothing major though. It's comfortable. This does have, Mossy Oak does have what they call a scent slayer protection. I guess it's sort of like their version of scent lock maybe. I guess that's just an added bonus. I pretty much do my own, you know, scent-free stuff. So obviously this would be kept in a scent-free tote. Would be washed before the season, and then any type of sweating or anything like that, it would be cleaned. I'm excited to try some of these pieces. I'm really excited for this new Bottomland camo. As most of you know, it's coming out again, and it's just getting really popular. So I'm really glad for that. Like I said, I remember it when I was a kid, but this guys, it's very comfortable. You can pick these up. This vest, I actually got it on sale for $39. They're regularly $50, I think, so got $20 off. They've got a jacket. I think they run about $75. It's got the same Berber fleece. I don't really know. I'd imagine it's probably about the same thickness. I got a cat in the video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope maybe you can run over and check out some of the stuff at Mossy Oak, the new EHG stuff that they have, the engineered hunting gear as they call it. Made by hunters for hunters is what they say. So I'm a big Mossy Oak fan. But hey guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Go down there and leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys have bought any of these, how you like it. Maybe I can do a little update, you know, in the middle of the season after I've wore this a little bit. I'm going to go through my whole set of hunting gear when it gets about September. I'm going to show you how I take care of all my clothes, how I'll get ready for the season, wash them, mine and Hunter's clothes, and what we do from start to finish. But yeah, I think I'm going to really like this. I'm going to try to pick up a couple more pieces, and I'll do some reviews on those as time goes on. But as always, guys, go down, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. That way you know the next time we put out a video. Go down, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm Josh. Thanks for watching Josh and Hunter's Adventures. We'll see you next time, guys.